Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. Today is the fourth session of 50 most repeated NEET MCQs and we are covering Unit 4 Plant Physiology of Class 11th NCERT Biology. I hope you have read all the chapters of Plant Physiology. If you have not, before attempting and starting with this video, do go and read all the chapters of Plant Physiology. Also, if you're finding these videos helpful and our daily biology MCQs in jumbled format helpful, do share them with your friends as well. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Question number 1. Through their effect on plant growth regulators, what do the temperature and light control in the plant? What does the temperature and light controls in the plant? Flowering, closure of stomata, fruit elongation, apical dominance. Correct answer is option A. Flowering of plant is controlled by the temperature and light. Question number 2. The energy releasing metabolic process in which substrate is oxidized without an external electron acceptor is called glycolysis, fermentation, aerobic respiration, photorespiration. The correct answer is option B, fermentation. There is no external electron acceptor in fermentation and the substrate gets oxidized. Question number 3. The oxygen evolved during photosynthesis comes from water molecules. Which one of the following pair of elements is involved in the reaction? Magnesium and chlorine, manganese and chlorine, magnesium and potassium, magnesium and molybdenum. The correct answer is option B, manganese and chlorine is involved. Question number 4. Root pressure develops due to increase in transpiration, active absorption, low osmotic potential in soil, passive absorption. Root pressure develops due to. Correct answer is option B, active absorption. Question number 5. Carbohydrates are commonly found as starch in plant storage organ. Which of the following 5 properties of starch makes it useful as a storage material? The properties are easily translocated, chemically non-reactive, easily digested by animals, osmotically inactive, synthesized during photosynthesis. Which of these 5 properties is useful that makes starch as the storage form of carbohydrate? Both A and E, both B and C. Option 3 is both B and D. Option 4 is A, C and E. The correct answer is option 3, that is both B and D. Starch is chemically non-reactive and osmotically inactive, which makes it apt for storage. Question number 6. Bacteria which oxidizes nitrite to nitrate. Option A, Nitrosomonas. Option B, Nitrococcus. Option C, Nitrobacter. Option D, Theobacillus. Correct answer is option C, that is Nitrobacter. Question 7. One of the commonly used plant growth hormone in tea plantation is abscisic acid, zeatin, indole 3-acetic acid, ethylene. Correct answer is option C, indole 3-acetic acid. Question number 8. Root development is promoted by auxin, gibberellin, ethylene, abscisic acid. Root development is promoted by. Correct answer is option A, auxin. Question number 9. An example of endomycorrhizae is glomus, agaricus, rhizobium, nostoc. Endomycorrhizae. Correct answer is option A, glomus. Question number 10. Leguminous plants are able to fix atmospheric nitrogen through the process of symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Which one of the following statement is not correct during this process of nitrogen fixation? Option A. Nodules act as site of nitrogen fixation. Option B. Enzyme nitrogenase catalyzes the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia. Option C. Nitrogen is insensitive to oxygen. Option D. Leg hemoglobin scavenges oxygen and is pinkish in color. Which one of the following statement is not correct regarding the process of nitrogen fixation? The correct answer is option C is incorrect. Nitrogen is insensitive to oxygen. That's an incorrect statement. Question number 11. One of the synthetic oxygens is IAA, GA, IBA, NAA, synthetic oxygen. Correct answer is option D, NAA or naphthalene acetic acid. It is a synthetic oxygen. Question number 12. The phase common in aerobic and anaerobic respiration is Krebs cycle, glycolysis, glycogenolysis, electron transport system. Phase common in aerobic and anaerobic respiration. The correct answer is option B, glycolysis is common phase. Question number 13. For its action, nitrogenase requires light, Mn2 plus ion, superoxygen radical, high input of energy. The correct answer is option D, high input of energy. Question number 14. Transport of food material in higher plants take place through transfusion tissues, tracheids, sieve elements, companion cells. Transfusion of food material in higher plants takes place through. Correct answer is option C, sieve elements. Question number 15. Cran's anatomy is one of the characteristic features of the leaves of wheat, sugarcane, mustard, potato. Cran's anatomy. Correct answer is option B, sugarcane. 16. Photoperiodism was first characterized in tobacco, potato, tomato, cotton. Photoperiodism was first characterized in. The correct answer is option A, that is tobacco plant. Question number 17. What does the diagram represent? Hydroponic plant production, hybridization plant production, nutrient solution culture, hydrolytic plant production. What is the diagram representing? The correct answer is it represents option A, hydroponic plant production. Question number 18. Manganese is required in plant cell wall formation, photolysis of water during photosynthesis, chlorophyll synthesis, nucleic acid synthesis. Manganese is required in. Correct answer is option B, that is photolysis of water during photosynthesis. Question number 19. How many macronutrient is there in the following list? 7 elements is given: copper, carbon, zinc, boron, hydrogen, oxygen, nickel. Of these, how many are macronutrients? Option A, 3, option B, 6, option C, 5 or option D, 4. Correct answer is option A, that is 3. And what are the macronutrients? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These are the macronutrients. Question number 20. Oxygenic photosynthesis occurs in Oscillatoria, Rhodospirillum, Chlorobium, Chromatium. Oxygenic photosynthesis occurs in. The correct answer is option A, Oscillatoria. Question number 21. Vernalization stimulates flowering in turmeric, carrot, ginger, zamikand. Vernalization stimulates flowering in. The correct answer is option B, carrot. Question number 22. Which one of the following generally acts as antagonist to gibberellin? Antagonistic action to gibberellin. Ethylene, ABA, IAA or zeatin. The correct answer is option B, ABA, that is abscisic acid. Question number 23. Which of the following is a symbiotic nitrogen fixer? Azotobacter, Frankia, Azolla, Glomus. Symbiotic nitrogen fixer. The correct answer is option B, that is Frankia. Question number 24. Which one of the following acids is a derivative of carotenoid? Indole 3 acetic acid, gibberellic acid, abscisic acid, indole butyric acid. Derivative of carotenoid. The correct answer is option C. Abscisic acid is a derivative of carotenoids. Question number 25. Coiling of garden pea tendrils around any support is an example of thigmotexis, thigmonasty, thigmotropism, or thermotexis. Coiling of garden pea tendrils around a support. The correct answer is option C, thigmotropism. Question number 26. Which one of the following is not used in organic farming? Glomus, earthworm, oscillatoria, or snail? Which one of the following is not used in organic farming? Correct answer is option D, that is snail. Question number 27. Mark the incorrect statement. Energy in respiration is released by reduction of C-C bonds of substrate. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. Organic acids can be used as respiratory substrate. Energy of substrate is released in multiple steps, never in a single step. You have to mark the incorrect statement. The answer is statement A is incorrect. Energy in respiration is released by oxidation of the C-C bond and not reduction. Question number 28. Chromatophores take part in respiration, photosynthesis, growth, movement. Chromatophores take part in. The correct answer is option B, that is photosynthesis. Question number 29. Cytochromes are found in outer wall of mitochondria, cristae of mitochondria, lysosomes, matrix of mitochondria. Cytochromes are found in. The correct answer is option B, cristae of mitochondria. Question number 30. Element required for synthesis of oxygen is manganese, zinc, nitrogen, magnesium. Element required for synthesis of oxygen. Correct answer is option B, zinc. Question number 31. Hormone inducing fruit ripening is cytokinin, ethylene, abscisic acid, gibberellic acid. Hormone which induces fruit ripening is. The correct answer is option B, ethylene induces fruit ripening. Question number 32. The chemoosmotic coupling hypothesis of oxidative phosphorylation proposes that the adenosine triphosphate or ATP is formed because there is a change in permeability of the inner mitochondrial membrane towards adenosine diphosphate. High energy bonds are formed in mitochondrial proteins. ADP is pumped out of the matrix into the intermembrane space. A proton gradient forms across the inner membrane. Which of the following explains the formation of ATP by the oxidative phosphorylation process? Correct answer is option D. A proton gradient forms across the inner membrane which is responsible for the ATP synthesis. Question number 33. Malting process is promoted by gibberellin, ABA, auxin, ethylene. Malting process is promoted by. The correct answer is option A, that is gibberellins. Question number 34. The rupture and fractionation do not usually occur in water column in vessels or tracheids during the ascent of sap because of transpiration pull, lignified thick walls, cohesion and adhesion, weak gravitational pull. Rupture and fractionation do not usually occur in water column in vessels or tracheids during ascent of sap due to which reason? Correct answer is option C, due to the cohesion and adhesion properties of the water. Question number 35. Senescence as an active developmental cellular process in the growth and functioning of a flowering plant is indicated in floral parts, vessels and trachea differentiation, leaf abscission, or annual plants. The correct answer is option C, leaf abscission shows the senescence as an active developmental cellular process. Question number 36. In leaves or C4 plant, malic acid synthesis during carbon dioxide fixation occurs in guard cells, epidermal cells, mesophyll cells or bundle sheath cells? The correct answer is option C, mesophyll cells. Question number 37. Importance of day length in flowering plant was first shown in petunia, lemna, tobacco, cotton. The correct answer is option C, that is tobacco. Question number 38. Which of the following are important floral rewards to the animal pollinators? Nectar and pollen grains, floral fragrance and calcium crystals, protein pellicles and stigmatic exudates, color and large size flowers. Important floral rewards to animal pollinators. The correct answer is option A, nectar and pollen grain. Question number 39. Splitting of water is associated with photosystem 2. Where is photosystem 2 located in plant cell? Membrane of thylakoids, stroma, lamella membrane or chloroplast membrane. Splitting of water associated with photosystem 2. What is the location of photosystem 2 in a plant cell? The correct answer is option A, membrane of thylakoids. Question number 40. Nitrogen fixation in root nodules of Alnus is brought about by Azorhizobium, Bradyrhizobium, Clostridium or Frankia. The correct answer is option D, Frankia. Question number 41. Transpiration and root pressure cause water to rise in plants by pulling and pushing it respectively, pushing it upward, pushing and pulling it respectively, pushing it upward. Transpiration and root pressure causes water to rise in plants by. The correct answer is option A, by pulling and pushing it respectively. Transpiration pulls the water and root pressure pushes the water upwards. Question number 42. Which of the following is not the function of boron? Pollen germination, carbohydrate translocation, activation of enzymes, cell elongation. Not a function of boron. The correct answer is option C, activation of enzymes. Question number 43. Which of the following is not an auxin? IM, IBA, zeatin, NM. The correct answer is option C, zeatin is not an auxin. Question number 44. Which of the following properties is shown by cytokinins? Delay leaf senescence, cause leaf abscission, promote seed dormancy, promote stomatal closing. Which of the following property is shown by cytokinin? The correct answer is option A, it delays leaf senescence. Question number 45. Which of the following is not a function of auxin? Initiation of rooting in stem cutting, promoting flowering, abscission of leaves and fruits of all ages, herbicidal action. Which of the following is not a function of auxin? The correct answer is option C. Abscission of leaves and fruits of all ages is not a function of auxin. Question number 46. Necrosis of leaf tissue is the symptom of deficiency of manganese, magnesium, zinc or molybdenum. The correct answer is option B. Magnesium deficiency causes necrosis of the leaf tissue. Question number 47. Cyclic photophosphorylation results in formation of ATP and NADPH, ATP, NADPH and oxygen, ATP, NADPH. Cyclic photophosphorylation results in the formation of. The correct answer is option C. It results in formation of ATP. Question number 48. Read the following four statements from A to D. Both photophosphorylation and oxidative phosphorylation involves uphill transport of proton across the membrane. In dicot stem, a new cambium originates from cells of pericycle at the time of secondary growth. Stamens in flowers of Gloriosa and Petunia are polyandrous. Symbiotic nitrogen fixers occur in free living state also in soil. How many of the following statements are correct? Option 1, 3. Option 2, 4. Option 3, one statement is correct, or option 4, two statements are correct. Correct answer is option 4. Two statements of the given 4 statements are correct. Question number 49. The cofactor utilized by pyruvate dehydrogenase is magnesium, manganese, zinc, iron. Cofactor utilized by pyruvate dehydrogenase is. Correct answer is option A, magnesium. Question number 50. The common nitrogen fixer in paddy fields is Rhizobium, Azospirillum, Oscillatoria, Frankia. Nitrogen fixer which is commonly found in paddy fields. Correct answer is option C, Oscillatoria.
So those are the 50 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow 7 p.m. sharp at this very place, this very channel, with our daily jumbled MCQ series. And next Sunday we are going to do Unit 5 Human Physiology. So take out time, read the entire Human Physiology chapters within this 1 week. So I'll see you then. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.